Hello everyone, this is Tiger again. So today let's take a look at 2019 Junior Kangaroo past paper. So for the first question, it says that Rihanna has been asked to erase digits from the number to obtain a number which reads the same from the left and from the right. What is the smallest number of digits that Rihanna needs to erase? So basically, 4 has to be erased, because if you want it to be reading the same way left or right, it means that, well, it's going to be repeating itself for the digits on the ends, right? So definitely that's not fitting the description of 4. It only occurs one time. So I need to have that removed. And then we have 3 of the 3s, 2 of the 2s in the middle. So if I need to have 1, 2, 3 for the start, it means that I need 2 and 1 coming up next, removing the 2 of the 3s. So there's going to be 3 numbers that I'm going to remove. But then we can think about other possibilities. If I need to have 1, 3, 2 as the start by removing 2, it means that on the other end, I have to remove another 3. If I need to have 1, 3, 3 as the start, and of course the other end 3, I need to erase the 2 of the 2s. So no matter which way I'm doing it, I need to erase 3 digits. All right, so that's the first question. And then for the second question, so basically it says that the length of each side of the smallest square is 20, and then there are 3 different sized squares arranged in this rectangle. So if the length of the small square is 20, it means that for the large one it's 60, for the medium one it's 40, right? And then we can just do it by counting. First of all, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 short edges. That's 5 times 20. We have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 medium edges. So that's 5 times 40. And then we have 2 of the 60s. So that's going to be 100, adding 200, adding 120, which is going to be 420 centimeters. All right, so that's question 2. And then for question 3, a bridge is built across a river. A quarter of the bridge is over the left bank, and a third is over the right bank. The river is 120 meters wide, which means that 120 meters is the full length of the bridge, removing a quarter, removing a third, which means I can find the length of the bridge by 120 divided by 1, take away a third, take away a quarter. So after finding the common denominator 12, you can see that it's 4 twelfths and 3 twelfths. So 1 taking 4 and 3 away, which is like 12 twelfths, taking 4 and 3 of twelfths away, that's going to be 5 twelfths. Which means that it is 120 times 5 over 12. Nope, times 12 over 5. 24. So that's going to be 24 times 12, which is 288. All right, 288 meters. And then the fourth question. In 4 years' time, Abby will be 3 times older than she was 2 years ago. So how old will Abby be in 1 year's time? So the easiest way will be list an equation. X take away 2 times 3 equals x adding 4. So 3x take away 6 is x adding 4. It means 2x is 10. X is 5. So this year, Abby, of course, x is how old Abby is this year. But in 1 year's time, Abby would be 5 adding 1, which is 6 years old. All right. So that's the easiest way of solving it. Of course, you can also try to draw line diagrams or like bar bar charts to figure this out. Question number 5. It says that two rectangles of dimensions 8 by 10 and 9 by 12 are overlapping as shown. It says that the black area is 37 centimeters squared. So what area is the gray region? So what about the white region? The gray region is the rectangle take away the white region, right? And the black region is the rectangle take away the white region as well. So it means I have to find the white region first. That's going to be more straightforward. So 8 times 10 take away 37. It gives us the area of the white region. And that's going to be 80 take away 37, which is 43 square centimeters. Now, if that is 43 square centimeters, it means that the gray region is going to be 12 times 9, take away 43, which is 108, take away 43, which is 65. So the answer is E. Alright, so that's the first 5 questions.